Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with another video. And in this one I am going to show you how to set up a VPN app called WyrVPN, which helps you get a secure and stable internet connection. This app is already available on the Google Play Store. Before we get started, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if you have any questions, so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Now let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type WyrVPN. From the results, make sure you pick the correct app by checking both the name and the icon. Once you find it, tap on it. Then install it on your device. After installation, click the Open button to launch the app. When you reach the home screen, you will need to adjust a few simple settings so the VPN can give you the best service. 1. Tap on the three lines at the top. From the menu, select Resources. When the pop-up appears, tap on Check for Update. This refreshes the app's resources so you always get the latest performance updates. 2. Next, select a server. You can choose one that works best in your location, but I recommend leaving it on auto select so the app automatically picks the best server nearby. 3. After that, select your network type. In the search bar, type UDP. From the list, pick your country network name that supports UDP. For this tutorial, I will use All Country UDP Hysteria, which works in multiple regions. If UDP doesn't work in your country, just choose your own network name from the list. 4. Finally, tap the Start button to initiate your connection. As you can see, the VPN connects successfully and gives you a stable and secure browsing experience. That's all for today's tutorial on WyrVPN. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.